Hi, my name is Ajay Prabhu. I work for a financial services company. I take care of the institutional business. My intention of coming here was to understand the cross-functional dynamics, which normally, being in business development and sales, we are so focused on the customer and markets that we forget to kind of understand what's going on in the company. More importantly, we feel we are masters of sales, but we forget strategy, and there is a huge difference between strategy and sales. Attending this cross-functional leadership role has actually cleared a lot of doubts, made yourself more refined in terms of what strategy is, how internal dynamics works, what is the various thought process of the various functional heads, how all of us come into a common objective to take, keeping in mind our long-term and our short-term goals. Personally, the first thing I'm going to go and see is look into a strategy, look into our financial statements, see are we actually in line. If you're not in line, immediately implement it, make the team ready, and make them more and more disciplined towards the step-by-step process on the long-term strategy. I think it's been a great learning experience. Most important, it's all practical based. It's a simulated base, unlike classroom and book based. The facilitators are great. They come with great in-depth knowledge, ready to listen to you, ready to go explain the same concept, even if it's 2 times or 3 times. Talk about various industry experiences, Indian and global. And I think it's because of these facilitators that this kind of workshop makes you to feel come back, and probably gain more and more experience and feel more confident. Thank you.